In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Hootsuite effectively. If you are managing social media for a team, Hootsuite helps you plan content, reuse approved assets, publish updates, and then measure results. Let us walk through the main areas you will use most often, starting with your schedule and ending with reporting. First, click Calendar from the left sidebar to spot and fill empty spots in your content schedule. When you open Calendar, you will usually see a view of upcoming dates and scheduled posts. Take a moment to scan the calendar for any blank areas or gaps where content has not been planned yet. These empty spots are exactly where you can add new updates because they help keep your posting rhythm consistent. As you look, pay attention to the dates and times shown in the calendar so you place posts where they will be most relevant for your audience. Next, once you notice the empty slots you want to fill, click Content from the left sidebar to manage reusable assets and approved draft templates. This section is especially useful when you want to keep your workflow organized. Instead of starting from scratch each time, you can find assets that you have already uploaded or pieces that your team has approved. You can also use draft templates to reduce repetitive writing and formatting. Before creating a new post, check that you have the right media and the correct template ready, because this helps you publish faster and maintain a consistent brand style. Now you are ready to actually write and publish an update. Click the plus Create a Post option to write one update and send it to all platforms at once. This is where Hootsuite simplifies your work. In the Compose area, write your post content clearly and include any links or media that you plan to share. If you prepared assets or drafts in the content area, you can usually select them here, which saves time. Also, make sure you choose the platforms you want the post to appear on. When you send to multiple platforms at once, double-check that the message and formatting still make sense across those channels. After you confirm everything looks right, publish or schedule the post according to the time you planned in your calendar. After you publish, it is important to see how your content is performing. To do that, click Explore under the Analytics section to track your team metrics and post performance. The Explore area helps you understand what is working so you can make smarter decisions for future posts. Look for performance indicators that align with your goals, such as engagement, reach, clicks, or other metrics your team tracks. Take a moment to compare posts over time, especially those that were scheduled to fill the empty gaps you identified earlier. This lets you connect actions you take in the posting workflow with the results you see later. Finally, when you need to share progress with others, use My Reports to build and export custom data dashboards for your stakeholders. My Reports is designed for creating views that match what your team needs to communicate. Instead of sending a generic analytics summary, you can build a dashboard that focuses on the most relevant metrics. You can also tailor the time frame and data sources, so your reports reflect the period your stakeholders care about. Once your dashboard is set up, you can export the information so it is easy to share in meetings or via internal communication. As you move through these sections, Calendar, Content, Create a Post, Explore, and My Reports, you will notice a smooth workflow. You find gaps in your schedule, pull from organized assets and templates, publish updates across platforms, monitor performance, and then present the results in a clean report. That entire cycle is what makes Hootsuite effective for teams. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.